Hey guys, come with me today as I make a repurposed candle from a whole bunch of old candles that I had laying around. I did get the candle kit from Amazon and it just comes with the candle warmer to put on the stove and a couple of wicks. So this is the warmer that it came with. I just broke up my other old candle pieces I had laying around. I do have a lavender plant on my patio. Picked off some lavender from it, put it in my Vitamix to grind it up, and I mixed some of this in the candle wax, and then at the end I just sprinkled it on top of the candle as it was drying to garnish and give it a fancy little smell. So this is me just putting it in the candle.
Delicious, comforting. But by the third or fourth cup, your stomach.
Okay, so now as you see here, the blue candle holder is an old candle that I had from, I think I got it from Big Lots. It was a nice candle, but I couldn't burn it anymore. So I took out all the old wax scraps, and that's some of the candle that I melted down. Like I said, this candle kit that I did get from Amazon, it came with that cup that you see me holding, and it came with the wicks and a stirrer. One thing I did notice as I was pouring is that it was hard for those candle wicks to stand up. One actually came out, as you see in here, but I just figured as long as I have it placed while the wax is like drying and hardening, it was fine. And so that did happen a couple of times. I just don't think the wicks were strong enough. Um, they were able to just pop in and pop out of that little metal little sticker. But like I said, if you just jam it in there while it's drying the candle mix, you should be pretty good. And then this is my second candle holder. This was another candle that I had got from Big Lots. So it was like 25 bucks. I love this candle down really bad. Like, it was my favorite candle. It's so cute. But, all the wax finally went out. So I just scraped up the rest of the old wax and melted it down in this little pot. And that's me pouring the rest of the wax. And if you see that in the corner of my table, I've got some other candles that I've made and stuff like that. I'm always saving wax. And that's the little kit, that box in the corner. That's the kit from Amazon. So you really just get the little holder, a stirrer, and then the stickers that you see on the table with the wax sticks. So yeah, this is the finished product of one of the big candles. Like I told you guys, I took from my lavender tree outside, well, my plant on my patio, and I mixed some of the lavender bits inside of the wax while it was hardening, and then once it was semi-dry, I sprinkled on top just for a fancy finish. And now this is just me cutting down the wicks. I didn't need them to be super long like that. I cut down the wicks. And yeah, this is it. It took about, I'd say about 2 days to harden fully before I was like, okay, let me start messing around with this. So I let it dry and cool for about 2 days. So this is my finished product. This is what the candle looks like while it's burning. Everything burns evenly. It's a nice, feeling, and you just feel relaxed when you're burning it. So I would definitely recommend the kit, and I'm really enjoying this candle that I repurposed.